Hello everyone and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, TCS NQT Smart Hiring result has been out and there are a lot of speculations and rumors among the students. They have some of the doubts as I mentioned in the thumbnail also. So we will be discussing in each and everything, and if you still have some other doubt, then you are most welcome in the comment section. So guys, some students are complaining that sir we haven't got the mail, but we got in next step portal that student that can particular candidate has been batched. So guys, batched means you have successfully or you have been selected in the current process, means you have given your online test. That means you have cleared your online test, but your interview has not been updated in the sense, as I told you in our previous videos, and let me also complete that thing also. But as I told you in my previous videos, those who have watched the videos, I told that your interview mail will be out before 2 to 3 days only. Getting means if you are having your interview on 30th, that means you will get your interview mail on 27th evening or in 28th morning. Getting guys? So this is all. Now talking about by some of the students that sir we haven't got anything. Getting means like the first question. Okay, let me start with the questions and one by one we will be discussing each and everything. So guys, before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe the channel and press bell icon, because we on daily basis provide you 2 to 3 government and private job alerts. Plus we are here for preparing strategy for the students. For example, we have also prepared TCS smart hiring preparation strategy, in which we have uploaded and recorded, I guess, more than 20 videos. After that, we have also prepared for Infosys also. So we have started with the last 5 days preparation strategy, and in both the preparation strategies, we got good comments and lovable comments from the students. So guys, if you haven't watched that, so go and watch the videos. Plus, if you are preparing for TCS NQT August, or if I call it November, so these videos will be really helpful to you. Do not confuse with that, sir. These are TCS smart hiring videos and we have to give TCS NQT August session. So guys, in TCS smart hiring also, students have given NQT. NQT means your cognitive skills plus your IT one. That means those students who are giving for their NQT, that means your cognitive skills plus IT programming. So they have to give in August and November. But in TCS Smart Hiring, they have given the exam of cognitive skills. That means your first exam that is of 1800 marks, which has been updated, means the 1800 marks. Now some of the students have some of the doubts. Let me clear that also in this video only. So some students are complaining that sir we have cleared, we got the mail, but in our next step portal we did not get the result. So guys, means result, or you can say scorecard. So guys, those who have paid 1000 rupees for TCS NQT only, they will get this scorecard in their next step portal. Getting means those who have filled the TCS form without paying anything, without paying in the sense, those who got TCS hiring, like there is a TCS smart hiring. So that means in this TCS smart hiring, those who have applied for the drive, they haven't paid anything. That means that is free of cost. That means TCS is hiring the students. That is why. And TCS NQT is something different, in which you have to boost your score. Getting? So this is all set. Now talking about your first doubt. Sir got mail but not showing batched. So guys, what happened, many times what happened means student got the mail, but after few days they got the batched sign, means they got the batched icon. So do not worry about that. If you got the mail, do not worry, wait for few days. After that, your next step portal will be updated. So this is the first thing, do not worry about that, that will be updated. After that, second question, sir got mail but not got interview dates. So guys, listen, as I told you earlier, means before interview, before 2 3 days of interview, you will get the interview dates, time, link, each and everything. That means if you got the mail that you have selected XYZ, whatever your name, so when your interview date will be there. So as I told you about that, let us suppose your interview date is on 30, let us suppose theoretically. So you will get the mail of interview dates, link, each and everything, time, etc, etc. So you will get on 27th evening or 28th morning. Getting? So this is the second thing. But those who got the mail, or those in next step portal, those who are showing that sir my candidature is batched, so start preparing for your interview. So I will be discussing about interview tips and tricks also. We have started the playlist also, in which we have, I guess, recorded 3 to 4 videos, and tomorrow we will be discussing about HR and MR, that is managerial and your HR. So we will be discussing those also, but before that, you can watch the videos of our resume. First thing, second thing, your introduction and mistakes to avoid in interview, and third video is of technical round. So guys, go and watch those videos also. So but let me come to the point again. So guys, now the third question is, some students are also saying, sir, it is showing batched, but I haven't got any mail. So guys, do not worry, have patience. If it is showing batched, that means you have qualified that round. That means interview mail will be there. Do not worry, but start preparing for your interview. Do not waste the time in hesitating or in confusion or in asking on Telegram comment section, whatever in other channels also. So I am saying, if you are best, do not worry, you will get the mail, but start preparing for your interview. So because interview is crucial now, means one step you have cleared, so congratulations from my side, but do not waste your time. So go and prepare for the interview. Now talking about your last question, sir, how to prepare for interview now? Yeah, definitely this is the genuine question, that sir, you helped us in cracking the exam, so I'm taking the credit, sorry for that, because we have made good videos and students have really happy with our videos. And if you have any doubt, so you can go and watch the videos, or if you do not want to watch the videos, so go and check the comment section only of the videos getting. So now talking about, sir, how to prepare for videos. So guys, listen, means for videos we have started our preparation strategy for interview also getting. There is a playlist on our channel, go and check it, TCS Smart Hiring Interview Preparation. So I guess 3 to 4 videos have been uploaded already, and your HR and your MR will be uploaded tomorrow only getting. So do not worry, tomorrow we will update 2 videos more. So in within 5 to 6 videos, your each and everything of your interview will be covered. So do not worry about that. And if you still have any doubt, then you are most welcome in the comment section, and do not worry, and just wait for a second, give me 1 minute, let me check the comment section and Telegram group. If there is any other doubt, so definitely I'll discuss in this video. So guys, let me read out for you. Sir, मेरा बैच नहीं हुआ है लेकिन मुझे इंटरव्यू मेल आ गया है. Okay, so guys, if in your portal, if it is not showing that you are batched, but you got the interview mail, that or not the interview mail, that your selection mail, then do not worry, it will be batched after some time getting. So this is the doubt from a student. So but I think this we have discussed it, so do not worry. And let me check some other doubts. So guys, there is one more doubt that a student is asking, sir, please tell me, after clearing all the rounds of TCS Smart Hiring, what will be the enhanced salary? So guys, we have covered 2 to 3 videos of TCS Smart Hiring and the TCS also, TCS NQT. So enhanced salary, so we have discussed it. So please go and watch the playlist. Now, I think next question. Okay, there is one more doubt. Sir, I have received mail. I am selected on 28th June. My interview. Thanks helping us. Okay, sorry, sorry, it is a compliment. So thanks Priya. And so this is all about for today. And if you still have any doubt, then you are most welcome in the comment section or on the Telegram group. And if you have still not joined our Telegram group, then you can join. We have 3 Telegram groups. So you can join according to yourself: Infosys, Government Private Job Alerts, or TCS Smart Hiring. So guys, and in addition also, so please subscribe the channel and press bell icon, so we will be taking like these videos, informative and motivational videos. So take care, and congratulations from my side, those who have studied from our videos and got selected, and all the best.